There are no hidden batteries. We pull the starter cord firmly, and you can see the light intensity gradually increase. We're also going to connect an angle grinder that operates at 220 volts and requires 800 watts of power. We didn't notice any variations in the rotor speed because we've eliminated magnetic braking. When we turn off the switch, the motor stops receiving power and the machine stops. When we pull the starter cord, we rotate the rotor, which is made of a special alloy and neodymium magnets. This causes the magnet's magnetic field to pass through the coils, generating 220 volts. This voltage is injected into the sockets and, in turn, into the motor, which keeps the modified rotor spinning at a constant speed of 1400 revolutions per minute. This ensures that it continuously produces electrical current in a highly efficient manner, without violating any of the laws of thermodynamics, thanks to the special alloy based primarily on silver and aluminum. Let's start it. Excellent.